Make a great choice today with the 2019 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, wheel locks, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.